Hello everyone. You've probably noticed that Instagram is starting to show content that's not exactly what you want to see. If you want to reset your Instagram feed and take back control over what appears on your screen, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to easily do that. Follow the steps all the way through and you'll refresh your feed, so you'll be the one deciding what you want to follow again. So here's what you need to do. First, before we begin, open your Google Play Store or App Store and check if you have the latest version of the Instagram app. If you see the option to update, tap it and wait a few seconds while the latest version of Instagram installs. This will ensure we have the latest features and options in the app, including the ability to reset the suggested content. Once you're done updating, tap the Open button to directly open the Instagram app. Once you're in Instagram, the next thing you need to do is tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. When you're on your profile page, the next step is to tap the three horizontal lines in the upper right corner of the screen to open the settings page. When you're on the settings page, scroll down and look for the option called Content Preferences. When you find it, tap on it to open. After that, you will see several options. Select the option Reset Suggested Content, which should be at the bottom of the page. You will see a page with information about what resetting the suggested content means. Essentially, by resetting the algorithm, Instagram will stop showing you the content you previously saw on the Explore page. It will start showing you different topics, and over time it will get more accurate according to the posts you like and interact with. Now tap the Next button at the bottom of the screen and you'll get the option to review the list of people you follow on Instagram. You can open your following list and remove accounts that you think post content that's not relevant to you. Then tap Reset Suggested Content again at the bottom and your Instagram algorithm will be reset. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, be sure to leave a like, share the video with your friends and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you very soon in my next video.